What's going on, everybody? Oh, found this light the other day. Well, let's scrap it out. Maybe. Plastic. Much better than glass. Rid of that bulb. Wires cut. Maybe I'll mess with them. Alright. Let's see how big of a transformer we got in here. This light's a little bit smaller than 1 foot by 1 foot. It's probably 9 inches by 9 inches. Ooh. There's actually a decent little transformer in here. That is not bad at all. Alright. All these wires clipped out of the way. That's nice. That'd be a nice, easy one to crack. Okay. Wires out of the way. Strap out of there. The capacitors. This bottom is cast aluminum. Alright. Oh, forgot the ground screw. Alright. This is actually a nice piece of cast aluminum. Good couple pounds. It's actually pretty thick. It's probably two or 3 pounds there. Not too shabby. Alright. Transformer. Let's see. Get the big file out. Let's see if we got aluminum, 50/50, or copper. Alright. I don't know if we can see that or not, but that is copper. Let's check the small one. Small one is copper. I don't know if that's showing up at all, but it is a double copper, so that can get smacked later and get the copper out of it. Sweet.